Welcome. In front of me I've got Jaecoo 5. In this video I'll show you how to drive this car. Let's start with the outside. The car in basic trim is equipped with approach lock and unlock, thanks to which the doors will automatically lock or unlock when you approach or leave the car. Let's enter the car. So, before starting driving, there are some things we should unmatch. Firstly, adjust your seat. Seat position can be adjusted thanks to the panel on the left side of the seat. Next, adjust the side mirrors position. The best position of the side mirror is when the driver door handle is located in the bottom right corner. Next, fasten your seatbelt. And now, let's start the car. To start the car, press brake and press start-stop button. Make sure that lights are turned on or set on auto. And now, disable parking brake. Parking brake can be disabled by pressing the brake and then pressing P button. To start driving, push this lever downwards. Release the brake and start driving. In my case, I am driving the full petrol engine without the plug-in hybrid. So there is no changing of the regenerative braking and more, but we can change drive mode. Personally, I recommend driving in eco mode in the city and normal mode across the city and suburbans. What's most important thing is settings. Right here you can manage vehicle settings, like wiper sensitivity, door lock, maintenance reminders, but what you should be most interested in are driver assistants. Here we can enable basically every driver assistant for our car and we can manage it. I highly encourage you to experience and experiment with those settings. If you want to stop driving, park, press brake and press button located on the top of this lever. The parking brake will automatically engage. To stop the car, press brake and press start-stop button. And that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like, comment and subscribe.